Hey, what's up YouTube? So in this video I'm going to be showing you my new red DVD laser. I extracted this laser from a DVD burner drive, and therefore it is very dangerous to operate. It is classified as a Class 3B laser, and the model that I'll be working with is known as the GSA-4165B, and this is a super multi DVD drive with writing and rewritable capabilities. As for the module here, I'm using this brass housing, and for the aperture head I have a threaded mount, and for power I'm going to reuse my 750 watt computer power supply with the custom driver that I have made for it. And yeah, let's do some testing here. Alright, so here I've connected the laser to the power supply here. Now all left to do is to fire it up. And here we go. As you can see, we have a coherent and quite bright laser output there. As you can see, this laser has a far down range, and it is also capable of cutting and poking holes through thin black plastic. I'll poke some holes. The output emission of this laser can reach 2.5 meters before it starts to heavily diverge out from there. This laser isn't exactly high on power density, but it is relatively high on energy density, as it's able to penetrate certain materials at the focal point of the beam, which is a few feet out from the aperture head. And in terms of wavelength, we're looking at 660 nanometers on the electromagnetic spectrum. And here we can see scattering effects of the laser. Stay tuned for more laser videos.